Hey, welcome back to Disturbing Kreationz Auto, and I am getting the ECU computer out of our Ford Ranger because it's a very expensive part and I want to sell it to recoup some money. It's a very easy part to get out as well, but if you don't know where it's at, you'll never find it. Now, usually they're inside the car, tucked in where your feet are, or you can see it on the outside near the engine, but this one is hidden in the firewall, and I'm going to show you how to get it out and right where it's at. So if you're looking at the engine, the back panel right here is going to be hidden. There is going to be your ECU DME. And there's a 10 bolt that comes out of here. So we can remove the wiring harness. And then I took a 10 here and a 10 here. This one didn't come out, but the whole stud came out. So we're just going to pull it out with the whole computer itself. You got to be careful because this thing is very delicate. Now, this is the ECU for the vehicle, and we are going to go ahead. If you need to change that or anything, you would just slide that into this plastic piece right here, slide it back into that part right there, slide in, bolt the two bolts back up, and then connect it with this piece. Super easy to do. But if you didn't know where it was, you'd have to look it up because it's kind of almost hidden. So if you need to do ECU repair, DME, I wouldn't open this. I would just get one. There's no anti-theft on the vehicle, so you don't have to match this to the key. There's no immobilizer, any of that stuff like you find in the BMWs and Porsches. Just make sure that you have the right numbers, the right year, and also make sure that if you're buying one and you have an automatic, you buy one for automatic. If you're buying one for manual, you buy one for manual because it could be a little different. So I hope this quick little video helped you to save some money. This is very easy to get to. Don't take your car to the dealership if you get a code that says your DME is bad or your ECU is bad. This is it. You could probably get one of these used, like mine is good, $100 on eBay. I'm going to see what they're selling for and put this one down for sale as well. This also can be used in multiple different years, so you have to check. This is a 98. I know it fits in a 2000, 99 to 2000. I think it fits down to 2000 or 96. That's about when they changed the OBD2. If you have a 95 or 94, check. If you don't have OBD2, then OBD2 computer will not work for you. So make sure to do your own due diligence. Look up online and see what years these fit, and then you could buy one to match your year. So thank you for your time. Give us a like and subscribe. I hope we saved some money, built your confidence a little bit, and if you have other Ranger problems, make sure to look at our 2 Ranger playlists, one for chassis and one for mainly engine stuff. So have a great day.